A week after being hit by heavy rains, floods and landslides that caused 2 people to disappear, the province was hit again by torrential rains, floods and landslides. Sinop, another Black Sea province in Turkey, has also faced floods and landslides as a result of heavy rainfall. The mass discharge of the Ereğli stream to Findikli increased due to heavy rains, while the rain caused several small landslides in the town of Tunca in Ardeşen. The public facilities of Dereyacaza of Tunca municipality were flooded. The mass flow rate of the stream flowing through the village of Ochkar in the Arashenski region also increased due to rain. A stream running through the center of Arhavi in Artvin overflowed its banks, dragging several cars to the water and flooding homes and workplaces. Several citizens were stuck in buildings as the entrances to the buildings were submerged. Electricity and internet are cut off in the area. The building of the hydroelectric power station collapsed and was carried away by the flood.